In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 805 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 8. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 3. Now this 3 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this 0 here. And we know that 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Subtract, we get a 0. Now again this 0 is less than 5. So we will bring down this adjacent 5 here. Now again see that this is the number 5. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 805 divided by 5 is equal to 161. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.